When you pass rental properties down to your kids into their personal name, you're making them legally liable for any tenant lawsuits that are coming after those rental properties. The reason being is that any lawsuits coming after a rental property is coming after the owner of that rental property, which would be your kids when they inherit these rental properties. And therefore, that lawsuit can come after any of their personal assets, like their family home that them and your grandkids are living in, their investment accounts, checking, savings, etc. So it could wipe out the assets that they have. And so if you want to make sure that they have asset protection from that rental property, but you still want to pass it down to them, there's a couple different ways that you could do it. The first one is going to be you could put those rental properties inside of an LLC and then pass that LLC down to them, or you could put the rental properties inside of an LLC and then put the LLC inside of a revocable trust and then pass that down to them via the revocable trust. And so what this will do is when you put the rental properties inside the LLC, it isolates the lawsuit to the LLC. That way it's not able to come after your kids when they inherit that LLC. And so then they can just take over the operations inside of that LLC and then take over the rental portfolio itself. When you put the assets inside the revocable trust and you keep them inside that revocable trust instead of distributing the properties or the LLC out to them, what's going to happen is that asset, I have geese right here. That asset will have asset protection from them because you have not distributed that asset out to them into their personal name. So if they get into a car accident and have a lawsuit coming after them, it's not able to access the LLC's membership interest or the rental properties inside the LLC if it's kept inside of that revocable trust after you've passed away and you have not distributed it out to them.